Hi everyone, this is Melissa with Melissa Made 2, and today I'm going to be sharing the beautiful Club La La Land Crafts August 2019 subscription kit that I absolutely adore. You get it in that beautiful gold envelope, and I'm just going to kind of walk through the products that come in the kit with you today, and I want you to make sure to check the description box below, because in the description box I will provide you with links to the beautiful products. So the first red rubber stamp that I want to share with you is called From All of Us, and you can see it's got beautiful detail, which is my favorite thing about rubber stamps, and there's a number of cute little animals in that first stamp. In addition, you also get birthday present Marcy. Look how adorable she is, and I love her size. She's perfect for an A2 size card or even a larger card. You also get a number of sentiments with both of those stamp sets. And in your kit, you also get a number of dies. Now, the first die I'm showing you is the number balloons, and you can see those are fabulous. If you have foil paper or sparkly paper, you can make like mylar balloons out of them. Also, you get this amazing birthday die, and it's quite large, but you can rearrange the letters, so that they're wonky or that they're in the line. You also get a happy present die, and you can cut out the happy and use that individual, or you can use it with the present. I do both in the projects that I'll share with you today. You also get this balloon die, and look how cute it is. It has a little ribbon that you can cut out there and also have at the bottom of that balloon. Now, again, I have all of the links below, but the deadline for new subscriptions is August 29th. So if you want to receive this Birthday Bash kit, you have to make sure that you subscribe by August 29th. So don't forget that date. Now, if you subscribe afterwards, you'll be subscribing to next month's kit. So you want to make sure to do that by the 29th. Also, this whole package retails for about $71.99, and you're getting it for $39.99. So really, it's really a great deal with all the products that you get inside of the kit. So this is the first card I made using the adorable birthday present Marcy. I also used a number of other La La Land craft products that I will put in the description box. And then I also made one of the large legal size cards. I thought that was fun because of the beautiful large balloons that you get. I cut those out with that balloon die. I also used the happy present die and the stamp set From All of Us. And I used another the daisy layering stencil from Club La La Land. But you can see all those cute critters. I just colored them up and kind of fussy cut those out to put on my card. You can see I used the balloon die for those large balloons at the top, and I used some fun foil paper to cut out a few of the balloons and then the number 5 so it looks like the mylar balloons. But you guys, what you get in this kit is fabulous. I love each individual die. If you don't want to use string, you can use that tie at the end of each balloon. And I really hope that you'll check out all of the details for the kit. You also get exclusive project tutorials from the design team. And in addition, you should join the fan group on Facebook, and that's at bit.ly/club fan group. So thank you so much, you guys. Make sure to check out this kit and all of the fabulous design team projects that will be on all of the social media where we like to share our products. And here's a quick glimpse of everything that you get. I hope you love it and that you'll subscribe today.